Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how can you change the IP address on a Spectrum router. So here's your LAN IP and subnet settings. Step 1. Access the network management tool. Download the app, open the My Spectrum app on your smartphone or tablet or visit the official Spectrum website via a web browser. Log in, sign in using your primary Spectrum username and password associated with your internet subscription account. Locate the services. Select the services or internet tab from the main navigation menu to view your connected hardware. Step 2. Navigate to Advanced Settings. Select the router. Tap on a specific Spectrum router from the listed network equipment. Open Routing menu. Scroll down and select Advanced Settings or Router Settings near the bottom of the screen. Find LAN Settings. Click on the LAN Settings or IP or Subnet configuration option to open the network addressing panel. Step 3. Edit the LAN IP and subnet mask. Modify gateway IP. You need to locate the LAN IP address field, usually set to a default like 192.168.1.1, or type in your new desired gateway address such as 10.0.0.1 or 192.168.0.1. Adjust your subnet mask. Update the subnet mask field if you need to alter the network size. The default is typically 255.255.255.0. Update your DHCP range. Ensure that your DHCP start or end IP pool automatically shifts to match your new IP address range so your devices can still receive IP addresses. Step 4. Apply and reboot the network. Save the changes. Tap on Save, Apply or Update button at the bottom of the screen to commit the new configurations. Trigger restart. Allow the router to automatically restart or manually power cycle the router to apply the new scheme across your home. Reconnect devices. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for your computer or phone to disconnect from the old IP range, renew its lease, and pull a new local IP address from the updated pool. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.